Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles, Long Island South Shore Base, until 10:45
What the
p.m.
heck?
At 10:20 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located 8 nautical miles northeast of entrance to New York Harbor, moving north at 50 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and sudden
Okay, now Upton issued one.
The
Wow.
strongest thunderstorm will be near Jones Beach around 10:25 p.m. East Bay, Jones Inlet, and South Oyster Bay around 10:30 p.m. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes. Wind gusts 34 knots or greater, small hail, high waves, lightning, and heavy rain are expected with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from
Dude, what is
ungrounded metal
happening?
objects.
This is so crazy. Holy. We have not gotten a single
Coastal
double
waters
header.
forecast from Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York out 20
Like,
nautical
really?
miles. Small craft advisory in effect until 6 p.m. Wednesday. Gale warning in effect from 6 p.m. Wednesday through late.
I have no words.